So in this Coinbase tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Ethereum, ticker symbol ETH on Coinbase. So once you have Coinbase open up on your device, go to this bottom bar and in between my assets and earn percentage, just simply press on trade right in the middle. Then once you're on this screen, you can go ahead to the top bar right here where it says search for an asset. Simply just press on the search bar. Then when you're on this screen, you can either go to where it says top assets here and just press on where it says Ethereum. So just like this, or if it's not showing for you guys, you can always just go to the search bar and search up ETH. And once you're on ETH, I'm at the very top here, you have ticker symbol ETH, which of course is Ethereum. Then on this screen, just press on trade. Press on buy ETH, buy Ethereum with cash. So this top option right here. Then on this screen, since I am in Canada, I have to go ahead and I believe do a minimum of $2 to invest into Ethereum, but you can do whatever amount that you want. Once that is done, press on review order. It'll take a couple seconds here just to recognize the purchase and take you to the next screen. So just bear with it, taking a little bit of time. Then once you're in this screen, you can go ahead and place an order if you want to stake to earn 3.34 APY for me. You can always just go ahead and check this and actually press continue. But for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and press not now. But regardless, that is how you guys can buy Ethereum, ticker symbol ETH on Coinbase. I hope this video helped.